Last week we had our first virtual Mustang Musings assembly. Let's have a recap.
Here's to the crazy ones. The misfits. The rebels. The troublemakers. The round pegs in the square holes. The ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you can't do is ignore them. Because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Last Thursday, we finished the week with our first Mustang Musings assembly. We learned what it means to be STEM crazy. The C means we are curious. The R means we are respectful. The A means we are accountable. The Z means we are zero quitting. And the Y is a reminder that it all starts with you. We took a moment to discuss the room flow map, and we emphasized how important it is to use doorways 2 and 4, in addition to doorway 3 when we re-enter building 1. Social distancing starts with you deciding to go where the crowd is not. We next discussed the tardy system that begins today. Each student should receive a similar ID badge. Remember, you must wear your ID badge at all times while at Westlake. And it's your driver's license for important privileges like hall passes and cell phones in the hallways and at lunchtime. The quicker you get to each class, the more crazy points you will earn. We reviewed 4 key reminders about how to keep each other safe from the coronavirus while we're at school. We can keep each other safe by washing our hands regularly with soap and water for 20 seconds. By keeping 6 feet away from others as often as you can. By covering your nose and mouth by wearing a mask. And by staying home when you are feeling sick. We talked about distance learning and how important it is for everyone to be ready to continue learning from home. Make sure you have a device you can use at home. If you don't, have a parent come check one out from the school. Watch for the weekly email of instructions from your teachers. Email your teachers with any questions. Check gradebook consistently to know what you are missing. And starting this week, you can even join the live stream of your classes using Google Meet and the simple Google Meet codes of WL and then your teacher's last name. We did a quick handbook minute in which we discussed cell phones and part of the dress code. We emphasized the importance of cell phones not being on your person while in class. Since we can't use our cell phone pouches right now, you must keep your cell phone stored away in your yellow Westlake bag. Also, students should not take pictures or videos with cell phones while at school without the express permission of a teacher. We also discussed bottoms and tops of dress code. Pants, shorts, overalls, and skirts need to ride at the natural waist so that the underclothing, such as underwear and gym shorts, is not visible. Skirts, dresses, and shorts cover at minimum half of the thigh. Pants with large slits, tears, or see-through panels over the same exposed area of the thigh are restricted. Slits in dresses or skirts should not extend above mid-thigh, and pajama bottoms are not allowed. All tops must have sleeves that cover the shoulder completely. Tops may not be or have sheer or see-through panels. No tank tops or spaghetti straps are permitted unless worn with a t-shirt or top that meets the dress code. The style of clothing must be modest enough to cover all underwear, bra straps, and cleavage. The length of the tops should be long enough to tuck in or cover the waistline of the pants or skirt. No bare stomachs, even when arms are raised above the head. We'll do our next Mustang Musings assembly this Thursday at 7:55 a.m. We'll see you there.
So fun. What a great first week of school. Keep up the great work, Mustangs.